How to add money to Fiat wallet in crypto.com. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, sign in to your crypto.com account, and then you just need to tap on the transfer and then select deposit. And this is how it will gonna look like. You just need to click on the deposit button and follow the on-screen instructions to create a bank transfer to your crypto.com account. You will need to add your bank name, your SWIFT code, your IBAN number, and all of the necessary information. Now once the transfer is complete, the money will appear in your Fiat wallet under accounts. To find your pay ID for AUD deposits or any other currency from the app home screen, you just need to tap on deposit and then go to Fiat, and then you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and click on the currency that you are in. Use the provided pay ID email and enter it into your online bank app or portal to transfer funds from your bank account to crypto.com. Hope this helped. This is how you can add money to Fiat wallet on crypto.com.